Alright guys, I wanted to do a cam crank correlation. This is for a Toyota 2ARFE. That's 2ARFE, the 2.5 liter. For those of you who aren't really in the know about these type of vehicles or this testing method, basically if you have a skipped timing chain or broken teeth or whatever have you, your car doesn't start, or you have a cam correlation code, you don't want to have to rip the engine apart or take off the valve cover and check everything else in order to check. So what you do is you just use your scope in order to check the cam correlation to see if the timing is correct, which will cause a no start. It'll cause misfires. It'll cause many drivability issues. So basically what we're doing right now is checking the cam crank correlation for the 2ARFE engine, and I'll do it for other engines also. But so what we're going to do right now is this is a 2-channel. So what we have is the red is the crankshaft position sensor. It's a 2-wire, and the signal wire for the crankshaft position sensor is the black wire, and the yellow line right here, channel 2, that is for the exhaust camshaft position sensor. And I'll show you right now the wires that I'm tapped into in order to give you the basically color of the wire that you need. So the wire I'm in for this, for the exhaust, sorry about it, it's the one all the way to the left, which is tell you the truth, I don't know what color it is. That's like a sorry guys, it's not focusing. It's the one all the way to the left. It's a 3-wire, hence the square wave. Square wave is a different type of sensor than a 2-wire. And the one right here, which is for the intake sensor right here, it's also the wire that's all the way to the left, which is a purple wire. So you have a power, or you have 5-volt, what was it, 5-volt, a ground, and signal, basically. So that's the signal, the one all the way to the left, and also this one right here. For some reason it's not focusing real well. It's the wire all the way to the left. I think they call it naked because it looks kind of like, not purple, more like a pinkish color. So anyways, so we have it hooked up, the red to the crankshaft position sensor and the yellow to the exhaust camshaft position sensor. So what we're going to do is we don't have a 4-channel, we're just going to count. So you see there's a 1 2 3 or 1 2 3, okay, and it repeats itself. So it repeats itself. So what we're going to do is set it right in the middle here. We'll set it right in the middle. At the end of the, so wide, medium, short. You know what, we'll set it right in the middle of this one right here. And then we'll count. So we'll zoom in. So this is, once again, the medium. So we'll count. In between the medium is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 6 humps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3. For a total of 9. Okay? And then we'll come over here. We'll go in the middle of this one here. Sorry. Bear with me. So, you see that's the thinnest. Zoom in. So right here, that's the center. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the center, and from the following edge, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right here, between here and here, I'll count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I believe it's 35. Let me count that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So 34. That's what it looks like. This is basically situated right in the center. Alright, so that, once again, the red trace is the crankshaft position sensor. So this right here should be a 360 degree rotation right here. So this right here is 360 for the crank, 360 for the crank, and there's 2 rotations for the camshaft for each 720 degrees. So 2 full rotations for the crankshaft position sensor, and then 1 rotation for the camshaft position sensor. So you got 1 full rotation of the crankshaft position sensor, another full rotation of the crankshaft position sensor, and this right here is 1 continuous 360 degree rotation of the camshaft position sensor for the exhaust. Okay, so I'll give you one more detailed view. And then what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to switch. I'm going to start the vehicle, and then I'm going to switch to the intake camshaft position sensor, because this is not a 4-channel, in order to give you the detailed description of what that looks like. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to switch this and take this off of here. Alright. And I'll just put this to another ground, and I'll put this to this one, hook it onto there. Make sure I'm in there correctly. That wasn't in there all that good. Hold on. Let me position it a little bit better. That should be good. There we go. So this is, once again, the red trace is the camshaft, crankshaft position sensor. The yellow trace is the camshaft position sensor for the intake. Okay. So what we're going to do now is zoom in. Do the pause here. And what we'll do is we'll get a better that should be good enough. So once again, this is the intake camshaft position sensor. So once again, from here to here is a 360-degree rotation of the crankshaft position sensor. So we got 360 degrees, 720 degrees for the crankshaft itself, the position sensor. And then from here to here is one rotation of the intake camshaft position sensor. So what we'll do is we'll count from here to here, and we'll count from here to here, is what we'll do in order to get a we'll start over here with the thinner. So this is a known good. So let's see. We'll move her a little bit. There we go. So what we have is from the leading edge, from the dropping edge, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And then we'll move over here. You know what, we'll go on this side right here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. And we'll go in the right here in the center. Make sure these are all the same. So we'll go right here in the center of the medium. Right in the center you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we'll do that real quick one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the center of the thinnest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.